yung star witness ng prosecution na kanilang iniharap sa impeachment court. It's a total waste of time. Presenting him to be an expert na hindi naman pala. Tapos, hindi binanggit dito na meron pala siyang kinaharap na kaso at meron pang hiling na ilagay siya for preventive suspension. No, ang kaso niya ay hindi biro-biro. Arbitrary detention, delaying release, search warrants maliciously obtained and abuse in the service of those legally obtained, searching domicile without witness, falsification by public officer, employee, or notary, or ecclesiastic minister, perjury, robbery, extortion, theft, pagnanakaw. Mabigat ang kaso nito. It goes into the very character of the person present.